Hey guys, it's Chris here, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be going through the BOSE QC35s. Now, I've had these since 2016, so it's 2019, it's been 3 years now, and it's time for a change of EarPads. However, with that said, the EarPads are still flawless. I don't even think you need to exchange them, but the whole reason why we're doing it is because they're going to be passed down to my dad, and what better way to make these headphones like new again than just changing the EarPads. So in this video, we got two things from Amazon. We got the factory Bose ear cups that you get on Amazon. They come straight from Bose. And you got aftermarket ear cups that you can get from third-party sellers on Amazon. I'll leave them both in the description below. You choose which one you want. But in this video, we're gonna look at a comparison of these two ear cups. So after opening the Bose ear cups, you get it in a nice box, and they come in a nice plastic, clear plastic. You get two covers, one for right, one for left, and the two ear cups. Looking at them for a couple minutes, they do look pretty factory compared to the QC35s that I had for 3 years, as well as this brand new one for the QC35 second generation. Looking at the quality, they both look the same. Yeah, they do. I mean, in terms of feel, they feel the same. These are the factory ones, and right off the bat, you can see that compared from the factory ones to the aftermarket ones, it is definitely a difference in terms of the back portion and the front portion. I don't know, this one has more creases, this one has less creases. And long story short, after touching them for a while, the factory ones from Bose are a lot softer than the ones that you get third-party aftermarket. I'm not sure what it is, maybe they use a different density for the same material. So they both use memory foam, which is that blue foam you see inside, but one of them is more dense, or one of them is more firm. The aftermarket ones are more firm and the factory ones are more soft. So all in all, it really depends on what you're looking for in terms of ear cups. Do you want a softer one or do you want a more firm one? But other than that, they're both very soft and they both feel very soft in your hands or touch to your feel, putting it up against your ear. And another difference is the factory one is a little bit lighter material, so it's see-through compared to the aftermarket one, and definitely the factory one is softer. The aftermarket one, which is this one, it's a little bit harder material, and it's not see-through. You can tell the difference. See, one of them you can see through very clearly, the other one is not. I was able to give it to a test subject. I gave it to my dad and he was able to tell the difference. I gave him a blind test, and he was able to tell which one was factory, which one was aftermarket, based on feeling these two headphones, the real ones. So that does it with this full video. Thank you guys for watching. It was really quick, but there is a huge price difference between the factory and the aftermarket. The aftermarket is, I believe, like $17, whereas the factory one is like $35. In my opinion, I would go with the factory just because the material inside the ear cup, one of them, the factory one, is softer and it is see-through, so you do have a different sound signature. Not that you can tell with most ears, but you can definitely tell there is a difference between the inner lining of the headphones. But if you're just changing the ear cups, then you don't have to worry about this portion. And the second part is factory cups are not way softer, but it is softer than the aftermarket. So these two are both factory. Let's get to the aftermarket. See, I was able to tell just like that. This is aftermarket, this is factory. Both of them, they do feel good and they'll definitely last a while. But again, I can only go from experience, and that is the factory one has lasted me for 3 years. So I'm gonna stay with the factory. 35 bucks to replace it with factory ear cups, I think is a steal. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any other questions or concerns, leave them in the comments below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Please subscribe for future content. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. And click that bell icon to be notified when the next video comes out. Please subscribe for future content, guys. Bye.